Hey, what is up guys? This is Flash and Flash Hobbies. I'm doing a continuation of the FS GT5. We're installing a receiver onto a Traxxas TRX4. So as you can see, the Traxxas box is pretty stuffed with this TQ system in it. So we're just going to remove that from the bottom. There we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to replicate it exactly as is. Whatever is in whatever channel, that's what's going to go into the new receiver. Then we'll test it on the remote itself and see if we're still getting the same functions that we would get from the Traxxas, I believe it's a 5-channel TQI. So this is how I set up the TRX4 with this receiver. Channel 1 is obviously the steering servo, so there's our servo. Channel 2 is obviously our throttle, so forward, backward, okay. The channel 3 is controlling this micro servo right here, which is for the high and low gear. And here's where it got a little interesting. So on the Traxxas receiver, there's a channel 4 and channel 5. They each have a respective button. Now the issue with that is this. So the issue with that is channel 4 is this kind of switch. And then channel 5 and channel 6 are basically dials. So it did work, and if you wanted to use the rear, so you would have to lock the front with this one, and then you would have to lock the back going all the way like this. If you left it somewhere around here, that was neutral, which is there's the dot there, so that's neutral, and then that would release it totally. So I didn't really like that too much, because as I'm going on the fly, I don't want to be looking to see where I have to turn this dial. So what I did was I got a Y splitter and put that on channel 4, and now both of them are working as they should. Now we have a better view of these two servos. So right now they are both in the neutral position. Here we're locking the front, there we're locking the back, and then back to neutral. There's the front, the back, and neutral. So I feel like that worked out better for me. It might work a little different for you, but that's how that worked for me. And then this one here with the red, that's actually for the lights. I put that on 6, and same thing. I just turn up the dial and turn it down, and it'll work with the lights. So that one's not a big deal because it's lights. As soon as you turn it on, you can tell when they're on. Versus this, you know, when the lid's on, you can't really see, you don't know how far you are. And if that's why I like the channel 4, because it's just a click. It's a set location. It's gonna go where it needs to each time. All that's left to do now is basically just run all this cable back in here and another bird's nest and assemble it back together, and then we're out on the trail and we're having fun. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, as always, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, leave your questions down below. Happy to answer. See you on the next one.